Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2654, identified as the rocker arm oil control solenoid circuit high voltage error, directly pertains to the Honda CR-V model from 2023 and beyond. This diagnostic trouble code indicates a malfunction in the rocker arm oil control solenoid, which plays a crucial role in regulating oil flow specifically to the rocker arm assembly. The solenoid is located in the vehicle's engine, integrated within the rocker arm oil control valve. Its primary function is to control engine lubrication and optimize performance by managing the variable valve timing (VVT) function. When the powertrain control module (PCM) observes an inconsistency, specifically that the rocker arm oil control solenoid return signal is on, while the PCM output remains off, this triggers the error code P2654. This discrepancy flags an abnormality, prompting further troubleshooting to identify the underlying issue impacting vehicle performance and emissions control. The rocker arm oil control solenoid is integral to the engine's variable valve timing system. Its primary function is to manage the flow of oil to the rocker arms, thus optimizing the timing of the engine valves. This is essential for maintaining engine efficiency and reducing emissions. Located within the rocker arm oil control valve assembly, it directly affects how the engine performs under various operating conditions. When an error is detected, as highlighted by DTC P2654, it indicates that a high voltage issue is present in the circuit. The solenoid's role is significant. Without proper oil flow regulation, the engine may experience decreased performance, increased fuel consumption, or even potential engine damage over time. Therefore, addressing this DTC promptly is important for optimal vehicle operation. Several potential causes could lead to the activation of DTC P2654. First, an abnormal condition with the rocker arm oil control solenoid is a primary suspect. Either the solenoid itself may be defective or it is not functioning properly. Second, there could be an open circuit in the external wiring, particularly concerning VTS2 and PG connections. Wiring faults can disrupt communication between the solenoid and the PCM. Lastly, a malfunctioning powertrain control module, PCM, could also trigger this error. The PCM might not be sending the correct signals to the solenoid, which can affect the overall performance of the VVT system. Each of these causes can severely impact vehicle performance and efficiency, making systematic troubleshooting essential. Several symptoms may be indicative of the DTC P2654 error. First, drivers may notice reduced engine performance due to improper valve timing. This could manifest as sluggish acceleration or inability to achieve optimal RPM levels. Additionally, there could be decreased fuel efficiency, as the engine may consume more fuel to compensate for suboptimal operations. An increase in emissions might also occur, as a malfunctioning rocker arm oil control solenoid may lead to more pollutants being expelled. Another possible symptom could include the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard. These symptoms serve as indicators that immediate attention is necessary to restore normal vehicle function and prevent further complications. As the first step in troubleshooting DTC P2654, the vehicle must be set to the on mode to power the electronic systems, enabling diagnostic capabilities. Proper preparation entails gathering the necessary tools for inspection, which may include multimeters and a Honda Diagnostic System (HDS). It's also essential to follow safety protocols during the inspection process to prevent injury or damage to the vehicle's systems. This step sets the foundation for subsequent procedures, as ensuring that the vehicle is correctly powered and the tools are at hand will facilitate accurate readings and diagnostics. The preparation phase ensures that technicians can efficiently proceed to the next steps in the troubleshooting guide. The second troubleshooting step involves utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to perform the VTEC test. VTEC, which stands for Variable Valve Timing and Lift Electronic Control, is crucial for adjusting valve timing in response to engine conditions. During this test, technicians need to check the operation of the rocker arm oil control solenoid to ensure it responds properly to PCM commands. Problems detected here may indicate issues with either the solenoid or its associated wiring. Technicians should closely observe solenoid readings as they provide vital information regarding its operational status. If the solenoid fails to show expected results, further diagnosis is warranted to pinpoint the problem. The third step requires technicians to disconnect the rocker arm oil control solenoid connector for inspection. This process allows for a thorough examination of the solenoid's internal circuit by measuring resistance values. Under normal conditions, this resistance should register between 13.9 and 16.9 ohms when measured at room temperature. A reading outside of this range indicates a fault within the solenoid, suggesting it may need to be replaced. Confirming that the solenoid's internal circuit is functioning properly is critical, as it directly influences the engine's performance and the effectiveness of the variable valve timing system. In the fourth troubleshooting step, technicians conduct the VTS2 and PG open wire inspections. This assessment involves disconnecting both the rocker arm oil control solenoid connector and the PCM connector to check for integrity in wiring. During this inspection, technicians must verify that there is less than 1 ohm of resistance in the wires. Higher resistance may indicate a break or poor connection within the circuit that can lead to malfunction. It is crucial to ensure that the connections are secure and undamaged, as even minor faults could lead to significant performance issues. If abnormalities are discovered during this process, it signifies a potential wiring issue that needs to be addressed. The final troubleshooting step focuses on evaluating the powertrain control module, PCM, for possible faults. This inspection is only undertaken if earlier tests have confirmed the other components are functioning normally. The PCM plays a crucial role in managing the engine's performance by interpreting input signals and sending commands to various components, including the rocker arm oil control solenoid. A fault in the PCM can result in improper signals being sent, thus creating performance issues reflected by DTC P2654. Technicians must carry out thorough diagnostics to validate the PCM's functionality, and if deemed faulty, must replace it to restore the vehicle to optimal performance. Upon completing the necessary repairs and replacing any faulty components identified during the troubleshooting process, it's vital to conduct a final verification for DTC P2654. Technicians should begin by clearing the diagnostic trouble code from the engine control unit. After this, it is essential to verify the overall system operation to ensure that all components related to the rocker arm oil control solenoid are functioning correctly and that the engine is responding appropriately. A thorough test drive should follow this confirmation. This allows technicians to monitor the vehicle under real-world conditions, ensuring that the error does not reappear and that performance aligns with expected specifications. A successful verification will indicate that the issue has been resolved, providing confidence in the repair process. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding future issues related to DTC P2654. Regular system checks, including assessments of the rocker arm oil control solenoid, can help identify potential problems before they escalate into failures. Additionally, monitoring the quality of engine oil is essential. Dirty or degraded oil can disrupt the effective operation of the variable valve timing and lead to performance issues. Following a routine maintenance schedule, including oil changes and inspections of associated components, will promote optimal engine performance and longevity. Educating vehicle owners about the importance of these practices can lead to fewer occurrences of DTC P2654 and enhance overall vehicle reliability. In conclusion, understanding the function of the rocker arm oil control solenoid is crucial for diagnosing and addressing DTC P2654. Recognizing that this component is key to maintaining optimal engine performance and emissions control underscores the importance of timely repairs. As we've explored, numerous factors can trigger this diagnostic trouble code, and following a systematic troubleshooting process is essential for accurate diagnosis. Regular system maintenance, including monitoring oil quality and ensuring electrical connections remain intact, can significantly reduce the chances of experiencing similar issues in the future. Ultimately, proactive management and timely interventions are crucial for preserving the health and functionality of the Honda CR-V. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!